Let's go and start fixing all these messes. You can see this is what you are going to have when you are browsing with Internet Explorer number 7. Now the first step, remember, you will need to modify the index.php, okay? We are going to copy all this, Ctrl C, and then down here Ctrl V. We are going to change the 8 to 7 and the 8 to 7. Then Ctrl S and then go to File and New and CSS. We are going to save this file as IE7, which will be Internet Explorer number 7. That CSS. Click Save, and then we are going to start modifying all the modules and all the elements inside this Joomla template. First of all, we are going to have everything from the top. So you are going to go back and find the top bar ID. Let's go in here inside the CMS Gray. We are going to find the top bar should be all the way to the top. Let me see in here. There we are. We are going to copy all this, Ctrl C, going back and Ctrl V. Again, I already did all these calculations, okay? So you are going to change the margin top from -5 to -15. And then you are going to change -3 to 18 pixels. Ctrl S, and we are going to go back and right click, upload, then go to the CSS, and we are going to upload the new Internet Explorer 7 CSS style. We are going to go back to Internet Explorer 7. Well, this will be Internet Explorer number 9. However, keep in mind that if you activate the compatibility mode, you are going to be working as if you were using Internet Explorer number 7. So we are going to refresh, and again we increase the margin at the bottom and then we decrease the margin at the top. Click refresh. There you have it. The next step will be increasing the margin at the bottom so we can move all this menu a little bit down below. And then we are going to eliminate the pixels, well, the margin top inside the wings from the menu. Let's go back to the CMS Gray, click in there, and we are going to find the header. Let's scroll down, should be down here, and it will be in here. Ctrl C, and then we are going to Ctrl V to paste. And in order for you to move the menu to the bottom, you are going to be increasing the margin button in here. We are going to give 12 pixels, semicolon, Ctrl S, and that will move the menu to the bottom. What you are going to do next is moving the wings on the sides. Let's go back and find the menu. We are going to copy the right wing, the left wing, and the main menu. Ctrl C and Ctrl V down here. You are going to be eliminating first of all the 18 pixels, okay? That will be on the left and this will be on the right. Now we are going to click Ctrl S and going back to FileZilla, right click and upload. Then we are going to refresh and see the changes. There you have it, my friends. Now we can either continue with the search module or with the showcase. Either way, it will be fine. In this case, we are going to go ahead and work inside the search module. So we are going to go back, and inside the CMS Gray, we are going to scroll down and find the search module. All this in here. First of all, we are going to copy all this, Ctrl C, and then we are going to go all the way down. Let me click in here a few times, the Enter key, and Ctrl V. We are going to change the margin left and margin top. Again, remember that I already did all the calculations in here, so I am going to have already with me the dimensions. This will be 665 and this will be 12 pixels. Okay, Ctrl S, going back, and we are going to upload. Then you are going to refresh, And there you have it. Now the next problem will be this text inside this icon. In this case, the text indent negative 9,999 won't be working. If you analyze, we actually apply all this text indent in here, but that won't be working. What we are going to do will be somehow like a hack to Internet Explorer 7, Control C, and then we are going to go back in here, Control V. First of all, we are going to apply the font size, okay? Font size equal to 0. And that, my friends, will be eliminating all the text inside the button. But this font size 0 will be leaving a black mark in the middle of the button. In order for you to eliminate that, you will need to set the line height to equal to 0. But before applying that property, you will need to apply the display property to equal block. There you are. And then we are going to apply the line height equal to 0, semicolon, Control S, and let's go ahead and see what will happen. Right click and upload, and we are going to refresh. As you can see, my friends, now we have eliminated the text inside this button. Finally, we are going to finish this video by fixing this showcase. Let's go back, and inside here we are going to go to the CMS Gray and find the showcase. All this part in here. We are going to copy all this, Control C, and then we are going to paste everything in here, right there. Now if you analyze this picture, and if you actually get the calculations in here, you are going to have a space of 4 pixels, okay, between the wings and the middle showcase, and then you are going to have a space right here at the top, there you are, of 20 pixels. If you go back, then you are going to be eliminating all this. You can actually eliminate all this if you want, all this part in here, backspace, and then down here 20 equal to 0. What you are going to be doing next is adding 4 pixels on the left, right there, that will be equal to 11, and then you are going to subtract 4 pixels on the right. That will be 952 pixels. Control S, and we are going to upload. Right click and upload and refresh. There you have it, my friends. Finally, we are just going to apply a margin button inside this main menu. Going back, and let's scroll up a little bit, and this main menu in here, we are going to click enter and apply a margin button, a space, and you are going to write down 18 pixels, semicolon, Control S, right click, upload, and finally we are going to refresh one more time. There you have it, my friends. As you can see, you have finished solving all these problems inside this Joomla template. By the way, if you want to download all the final template that we just built, you can click down below inside this video, download full template, and you are going to download all the template and all the modifications that we have been doing all the way to this point. My friends, for this video, that will be it, and let's move on.